free way to go to LA to get some white roses. Last week I was able to find my white roses I needed. Fine. This week, guess what? Can't. Hello, my lovely flowers. It's me, Nia, with Exquisite Floral Design and Events. I am a florist who brings you vlogs behind, day of the life, week of the life of a florist. I do DIY videos, and I also do some reviews and give you some tips. So if you're new to my channel, hello. Hope you become a beautiful flower by subscribing, and don't forget to hit that notification bell if you're returning. Welcome back, my lovely flowers. Anyway, it is Tuesday. I have a busy week. I've been dealing with all this anxiety. So what's happening this week is I am going to go to Texas with my best friend. We are going on a food tour. Yes, we're going to Texas just to eat food. And the bad part is I end up booking a wedding this week, and I was doing so good with not booking, and then I need to do a better job on checking stuff because I booked a wedding this week. So I have a wedding, and then a young lady that I've been doing a lot of stuff with, she has a champagne party. That one's kind of easy because it's just hydrangeas and the other 3 hydrangea arrangements and 3 arrangements with feathers. So I'm gonna do that really quick and be done with that today. And what else? So that's basically it right now. I didn't place orders for my flowers, which I think that's why I have a lot of anxiety right now, is because the place that I normally go the last couple of weeks, they've been giving me some of the worst flowers ever. When I say horrible flowers, I mean horrible. So it's like I'm not trying to go down there and get these flowers because it's just, they're horrible. And so I didn't place any orders for flowers. I was gonna go to my guy in San Bernardino because he had like the best roses ever. When I tell you the best roses ever, the best roses ever. So I'm going there now, but the only problem is, like, I had a designer text me, DM me yesterday, and she needed 25 arrangements with hydrangeas, and I was like seeing if he had them, and he didn't. So I'm like, it's a hit or miss over here. So I'm hoping he have burgundy flowers. If he don't, then we get these red freedoms because he had tons of them. So we're gonna do that. Let me get over, because I don't know if you guys noticed the policeman, and I ain't touching nothing. All I'm doing is talking to my camera. Anyway, so I'm headed that way. So you're just gonna see me this week. We're going to go do all the stuff that I need to do for this event, for these 2 events, and then luckily it's just ceremony flowers for the wedding and her personal flowers, and a few flowers for her what is it called, for her cocktail table. So it should be fairly easy. And then the ones for the champagne party is really easy. I'm dropping off Thursday before I get on my flight. And then what else are we doing, you guys? That's basically it. Oh, you guys get to join me when I go to Texas. You get to see all the stuff that I do when I go to Texas. I think this should be kind of fun to see, what I do on my off time too. Because I was doing that like earlier vlogs, and I stopped doing it because I'm like, y'all don't want to know what I'm doing. Y'all just want to see what's going on with these flowers and stuff. But we'll do that. So I'm stuck on this little traffic going to San Bernardino. I'm gonna get over there, get what I gotta get back home, and then I'm finishing up. It's taking forever for my half bathroom that I spent a fortune to get done, to get finished. And then my housekeeper comes to clean up, and that's it, y'all. So let's go. I look so tired. I am kind of tired. I've been working non-stop for weeks on weeks. And then also, I I'm in a group of floral friends, and what happened is one of a fellow florist, she took her life on Saturday, and she had like 4 events this weekend, and they're like scrambling to find people that could help with the flowers, you know, do the flowers and stuff. So I'm like, oh, that is just so sad. It hurts my heart because, you know, she didn't have anyone to talk to, and you know, she thought it would be easier to do something like that rather than, you know, seek out help or everything. Because like right now, oh my gosh, you guys, I have so much anxiety, but my anxiety is making sure that my wedding on Saturday come out. But I have my daughter, so my daughter is going to help, and then I have my assistant. I hired a floral friend. She reached out to me off of one of my YouTube videos, and she did one of the I was supposed to show you guys what it looked like. Oh my gosh, she did such an amazing job just from following my directions on my #1 video. That video does so well, and I did that video a year ago off of 2 iPhones, and now I can't get that same. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I do have a box light, and I said, okay, I'm gonna start using that when I do tutorials, but I don't know, maybe I'm just doing stuff too fast. But anyway, I've been talking for 6 minutes. Y'all don't want to hear all this. Let's get to getting this stuff and picking out this stuff for my Saturday event, and let's go from there. Bye. How I mentioned earlier, I'm on my way on vacation, and I am going to, where am I going to? I'm going to Houston, Texas, for a food tour. So funny. But I have my my Louis Vuitton traveler. This is the larger bag. I wouldn't suggest getting it this big unless you get the one with the straps on it, because it is heavy to carry. So, but hey, my mom had bought it for me, I think for one of my birthdays. I don't know. So, but what I love doing is see how now I packed a whole lot of clothes, but everything I put in like bins. So this is all of my toiletries, this is all of my makeup. These are like my clothes. I think my underwear are in one, and my pajamas are in another one, and then this one has my shoes. I just love packing everything this way. So then I'm going to zip it up and we're good. I do need to add one more pair of shoes, but I think I'm going to just be good because I have my Valentino studs, and then I have some Jeffrey Campbell black. They remind me so much of the Fendi with like 1/10 of the price. So anything, I got those. I got everything in there, and I'm ready for a trip. I need to go get a feel, but I don't have time. I'm just gonna get my eyebrows done and get me some makeup. That's about it.
Down my cards, ready to play, yeah. It's all a game. Who's gonna pay up? Much at stake. What would you give up to change your fate? Luck isn't made. Fuck all your fake love. Face down, but you're not down for me. Downplay when I said that I'm wanting more, 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 more. What's it for? Keep score, but you keep me guessing. But I guess that you keep it on the low, 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 low. No, no, no. Are you ready for this? Come on, we could just go all in. Are you ready for this? Come on, we could just go all in. We could just go all in. We could just go all in. Loving you is a gamble. Loving you is a gamble.
Okay, my lovely flowers. Hello. I'm ready to quit today. When am I not ready to quit? Every week, I swear, I'm ready to quit. I'm gonna put you guys up here. Let's see this better. Yeah, I come out a little bit better. I look a hot mess. So, Y'all, I got up at about, what time did I get up this morning? I got up, I took my girls to school, then I headed out to Orange County because I really didn't feel like spending 2 hours on the freeway to go to LA to get some white roses. Last week I was able to find my white roses I needed. Fine. This week, guess what? Can't find fucking white roses. Excuse my language. And I didn't place an order with anyone because of the fact that I'm like, it's easy flowers, you know, blue delphinium, burgundy kind of reddish roses. It's easy to find, not that hard. We can get all this stuff, call it a day. White roses, I just need one bunch of white roses. That's easy. Could I find white roses? No, everybody sold out of white roses. And then my guy in San Bernardino, he's like, oh, my order doesn't come until Thursday or Friday. I leave tomorrow. So it's like driving everywhere to find freaking stuff. It's like driving me up the cuckoo's nest. I'm just like so over it, so tired. Yeah. So I got like an off-white one. I think I'm gonna stick those in my party, the champagne party, because you're not gonna be able to tell with those. And I think and then the white ones that I got, they're called Tibet, I think they end up getting. I don't like how they bloom, because you guys know I love Playa Blanca, how they bloom. But it is what it is. They'll bloom by, because I gotta open them up today and tomorrow, so they'll be really pretty by Friday anyway. So y'all, now I'm on my way. I got over here at 9. I went to Mesh, and then they didn't have any, and then I came over to Orange County Wholesale Flowers, and they had one white one, and then they had one cream one. So I snatched both of those up, and then I needed some spray white roses. I grabbed those. Now I'm back on the freeway. Hopefully I get home by about 10:15. I'm going to start working down my list. I'm gonna do everything for I'm gonna do everything for, what am I gonna do everything for? Oh, you know what? I gotta buy everything for the champagne party, like I said today. Then I also have to, what do I need to do? I also need to buy somewhere where we can leave our car. I forgot to do that. Parking. I need to pay for parking. So y'all, I'm off, I'm gone. I finally you guys got to saw what it looks like. I love, now sometimes I get some not so great quality stuff from Orange County. Their roses be like, so a good way to see if your roses are any good is to squeeze them. If they are mushy, or not firm and hard, then they're bad, they're old. So I kind of try to get what I could that was the white Tibet are really good, the other ones aren't. So anyway, look how I look. I said I'm not gonna say how I look, but I'm on my way. I'll talk to you guys later.